Golden seal contains a main active ingredient known as berberine. It prevents bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. Because of this, golden seal is thought to help pass a urine drug test by preventing weed metabolites from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This leads to the increased rate of excretion of marijuana metabolites, which causes urine tests to show negative. How the people suggest using golden seal to pass the test. Take 1 tablespoon of golden seal powder daily for a week before the test. Important, some people may be allergic to golden seal. In the case of an allergic reaction, stop taking the golden seal immediately. It's advised to take as little as possible for the first time to make sure that you're not golden seal allergic. Does this method work? There's no scientific evidence that golden seal prevents weed metabolites from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. Even if this was so, this is not enough to detox from THC within a week. People who pass the test this way may have passed just because they stopped smoking weed for a week and used other methods also. Amongst the drawbacks of the golden seal method is the need to ensure purchasing original herb, not adulterated with other filler ingredients. One more drawback of the golden seal method is that drug tests can detect it. So if you need to pass a drug test, we recommend using the detox kits that are proven to work. These kits are legal, safe for the health, and undetectable. Click on the link in the description to read reviews. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment and let us know. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about passing a drug test, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.